What is up, guys? It's been months since I did that. What is up, guys? So today we are picking up a fucking race car. I'm gonna have to bleep that out. Yeah, so I'm not gonna spoil it yet, but some of y'all have seen this car before. Not all y'all. I know not a lot of you guys actually pay attention to my life, but a few of you do. Backstory on this car: it was my first car back in high school. Spent a couple years working on it. I only put maybe 5,000 miles on this car. I had it for almost 3 years. 2.5. Anyways, about a year and a half ago, I sold it, maybe a year, and I got a pretty penny for it. And today, I'm buying it back for a fraction of what I paid for it. Slow down, or the fuck the opposite. We're about 1 mile away from where the car is supposed to be. We just drove 200 miles to come pick it up. We're borrowing Walt's pickup. We got a U-Haul trailer on the back. So I pick up all these junk ass cars. The car's uglier than the shit now. It's half in primer. Is that oak? That's oak. Well, this ain't it. GPS showed. Shut up, radar. GPS showed to be right here. We're looking for 47.
47?
Yeah.
Would that be 47? It says 47 on the house. Oh, there it is! Ah!
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Oh, look, some of the wrap is still on it. Oh, it's so pretty.
Oh, I missed you.
Oh.
So, I don't know if I want to show you all now or later. Turn off this damn heat.
Damn heat.
Oh, it's the fucking bumper's taped on. Oh, this is Rocky, by the way. We got a dog. Rocky. Hey. So, yeah, getting the WRX back. Take a bath. All right, guys. So we're back. It's been like 2 days since we picked the car up. Jose's here to help. Alexis is back here. Rocky's here. Rocky wants to play in the Subaru too. But first thing we're gonna do, we wanted to pull the engine and trans tonight. I don't have a cherry picker. The one that we were supposed to borrow, there we go. The one that we were supposed to borrow is being borrowed by someone else. So we're gonna gut the interior tonight because we want to paint this whole car. So I'm gonna get right into showing you guys what the car looks like. So y'all saw last time I had this car, it was wrapped in this color shift. Underneath the wrap was just a whole bunch of body work, and they peeled the wrap off it. So also, one thing that I did not do, but they did, was they crashed it. And this is all. They attempted to fix the bodywork here, but it's still a little crooked. And this has road rash on it, or something rash. They put deck screws right into the side of the bumper. They took my spoiler off and they welded in the trunk, and they did a decent job with the bodywork, but that needs fixed. They just blew a hole right through that. Broke the quarter down here. Let it sit and get rusty, so that needs to get cut out. Interior wise, they stole my shift knob. This is a lug nut we used just to drive it up on the trailer. Bought an eBay exhaust. That's probably just getting sold because I don't want an eBay exhaust. And we are gonna get over to the engine right now. All right, so the kid that I got it from put all those blue lines in there. Oh, the guys that I sold it to also stole the battery out of it, which was ghetto, but it is what it is. They primed the whole front clip. They got overspray on the lights, up here on the windshield, overspray on the door. They painted, or they peeled the plastic up off just one mirror. Dented up my hood and just ruined it. The kid that I just bought the car back from them, pulled the engine out, put a new OEM clutch in it because the kid I sold it to destroyed the clutch and destroyed the front axle shafts, and he did all the exhaust gaskets, which was nice of him. Still has the 3-inch straight pipe all the way back, and then they peeled my tint off and shattered this when they hit something. So, but we're gonna start taking the car apart right now. All right, so we're back. We've been working. Jose's out here helping me. What's up, Jose?
What's up, man?
We got the front seat out, back seats out, front seats and back seat. Next, I'm going to yeet out this dashboard real quick. And Jose's pulling out the interior trim. Hopefully we get this whole interior out tonight. If not, I'm gonna be fucked because Jose is only here for the weekend and I got work tomorrow. So we are back, guys. It's been about 2 hours. Yeah, it's been about 2 hours.
You're probably gonna be late. Oh.
It's dark as hell, but we got everything but the carpet pulled out.
No.
Jose even got the little seatbelt things. Oh, no, I'm wrong. He got that side out, not this one. We got the trim out. Oh, and the headliner needs to come out. Other than that, it's almost ready for paint. On the door jambs, just gotta pull out this guy, slide this out, pop this windshield, get some more body work up here. Eat out this carpet real quick. And then Jose's, oh, we forgot one piece. That's about to be rustier and shit too.
It's not coming out, dog.
Fuck it, put everything back in.
All right, man.
No, so we're doing pretty good tonight. For body panels, we got the rear bumper off, taillights out. That trim was already off. Didn't touch this trim piece just because I really didn't feel like fucking with it. You gotta take the wheels off in order to get up to those. Front bumper's already off. But yeah, the only thing we broke was the dash clock. You broke something else? Oh shit, so we broke two things. Jose, what'd you break?
The thing to the well, yeah.
Oh,
We'll just
shit.
we'll both file, man. We'll just hide it, you know.
So probably gonna wrap things up for the night. It's like 8:30, but it's pitch black out, and I lost all my lights. No clue where I put them. So we'll catch you guys next time. Thanks for watching.